cool new series that we are calling Freedom Fridays. And the whole point of the series is to share books, strategies, ideas, tools, and stuff that can help you on your journey towards financial freedom, time freedom, creative freedom, so that you can live life on your own terms. In this episode, I would like to share the rationale behind making a series like this. I want to share my own sort of like origin story as it relates to financial freedom, time freedom, creative freedom. But really, the whole point of the series is that we want to teach the skills that school did not teach you if you actually care about